Hello everybody, and thanks for joining us for another Whitfield's Food Review. Tonight, we are celebrating Oktoberfest. Big ass beers and pretzels. So tonight, what we're doing, we're making, pretzels are cool and all, but they're complicated shapes. And for dipping, you just have to rip them apart. What would be easier? A stick with a beer cheese, which is my own recipe. Plus big ass beers. And tonight, our big ass beer is courtesy of Yuengling. Yes, that's how you say that. Yuengling. It looks weird as hell. Actually, it's the oldest brewery in America. It's the oldest American brewery, which is actually pretty impressive. And one of them is in our hometown in Tampa, and it got burnt down a couple years ago. I don't know if it exists anymore. It's kind of sad. Yes, this is Yuengling's Oktoberfest. It's a full-bodied Oktoberfest beer, which means it's got a big body. I don't know what that means. Well, you always hear people say that shit. We did look for Paulner. We had trouble finding it. We decided we'll go with an American Oktoberfest. We were gonna go with the German. We got German cheese and all that. So this is like basically my heritage. This is German and America meet in a good kind of way. Auf Wiedersehen. That means goodbye. This is the only word I can think of. So without further ado, allow the Oktoberfest to commence. And first, let's look at the ingredients.
That are now gone.
Hopefully I don't see it. And there you have it, folks. This is genuine bona fide beer cheese. Burnt my hand. Yeah. We could have like a lady in the trap moment where like the taste is amazing. The combination of the beer, the cheese, 2 kinds of cheese, the spices, the mustard, the jalapenos, unbelievable. The pretzels are absolutely perfect. The only suggestion I would make is we got mild cheddar block cheese. You probably should go with Velveeta. It melts a little easier because it coagulates. You should probably just go with Velveeta, but I do think you're going to lose something in the flavor with Velveeta. It's going to be very salty. So if you do go with Velveeta, just remember it's very high in the sodium, but if you do use something like that, easier melted cheese, go light on any salt because it's going to be really salty. The jalapenos mixed in there, that's a winner. So there you have our Whitfield's Oktoberfest beer cheese and pretzels. Definitely try these at home. Beware of the cheese. It's all about the cheese. I'm sweating my ass off because it's hot in Florida. It's only 90 at night, no big deal. So thank you for watching. Please comment below, like, favorite, and subscribe. And as always,
Gotta eat.
What?
Gotta eat.
Gotta eat.
Gotta eat.